What's the meaning of courageous? Courageous. Courageous.
Courageous. Courageous. Courageous means having the strength and bravery to face fear, pain, or danger. A courageous person is willing to take risks and act despite uncertainty and potential harm. They demonstrate mental and moral strength in times of adversity, and do not back down from a challenge. Courageous individuals are often admired for their determination, resilience, and fortitude. In many cultures, being courageous is considered a virtue that symbolizes honor and integrity. Ultimately, being courageous involves facing one's fears, standing up for what is right, and persevering through difficult situations.